Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is me, your favorite girl Anastasia, and I'm back with another video. And today's video is actually sponsored by Beauty Forever Hair. This is my first week, this will be the first week I'm installing that has 4C edges. I'm so excited to show you guys this week. I'm gonna get back to the wig later, but I wanted to show you guys other things that came with the wig. Okay, this wig came with a band to tie up your lace. It also came with a wig cap. It actually came with 2 wig caps, okay, and then it came with I don't really know what this is. And this wig also came with lashes, 3D lashes. These lashes are so full and beautiful. And it also came with, I think this is a mascara, if I'm correct. This should be a mascara. And then it also came with another band to tie up your lace. So guys, let's go to the interesting part. So let me show you guys this wig. I'm so excited. And guys, this wig is a lace frontal wig, and I think it is in 20 inches. So I'm going to take out this net so I can show you guys how this wig is looking. Can you see the curls on this wig? Oh my god, this wig is giving. And this wig, I don't know if you guys can see the curls. This is a 13 by 4 lace frontal wig. And guys, this is the edges. I don't know if you guys can see the edges, but it has like really cute 4C edges. And it also came with an elastic band in your wig, just so your wig can stay in place. And it also came with these straps, just so your wig can be secure. Okay, so I'm going to put this on my head right now. Okay guys, so this is the wig on my head. Ooh, okay. I don't know if you guys can really see the curls on this wig, and it has 4C edges. I don't know if you guys can see it. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see the edges. So these edges are 4C edges. Okay, so yeah, I'm not really going to do too much to this wig, honestly. I'm not going to use any glue or any spray. I just want to, like, you know, install the hair like naturally without anything, and let me see how it is going to go. So let's dive right into the video, guys. So guys, I went ahead to use my foundation on the lace just so it blends well with my skin, and it really blended well with my skin. So I would advise you guys to use your foundation or your concealer on your lace so it blends well with your skin. Guys, I was considering doing a side part, but I later changed my mind and I switched to a middle part, and I really love how it's ended up looking middle parts. Okay, so guys, I wanted to define the curls on this hair, so I sprayed some water on the hair, and then I went ahead with my Lotta Body mousse. I really love this mousse because it helps to define the curls, and that's just what I did. And I used my brush and brushed everything together so the curls can, you know, form. And I just did that all through the hair, sprayed water, added my mousse, and then I combed the hair, as you guys would see. So guys, I went ahead to cut the lace on the wig. I still don't know how to cut lace on my head, so I rather just do it on the dummy head. So it is easier for me that way to cut the lace when it is on a mannequin head than doing it on my head. So guys, I used my diffuser to diffuse the hair. I wanted to air dry it, but I wanted to see what it was going to give if I use my diffuser. So I used my diffuser to diffuse the hair until it was dry, and the hair became really full and fluffy, and I just really loved how it turned out. So guys, this is the finished look of the hair. Oh my god guys, this hair is giving Diana Ross vibe. Like, it is giving Diana Ross vibe. Okay, all the single ladies, oh, I don't think that's a Diana Ross song, that's a Beyonce song. But anyways guys, I am so in love with this hair. Beauty Forever hair, you guys killed it with this hair. Guys, can you see how this wig is giving, how the back of the hair is looking? Oh my god guys, this hair is very full, and guys, this hair is just 150% density, and it is so full. Like, I really love when a curly hair is big. I love big curly hair, so I am not complaining at all. If you don't like your hair to be this full, then I would advise you to just air dry your wig instead of diffusing your wig. I diffused this wig and it became so full, and I am so in love with this hair. Guys, can you see how this hair is giving? I am so in love with the hair, and I love that, like, I actually look like my my all-time favorite Diana Ross with this hair. This wig has 4C edges, which I really love. Like, it gives this natural look to your wig, and this is how the 4C edges is looking like. So these are the baby hairs, these are the 4C edges. It is so cute. And guys, I did not lay my wig down because I wanted to just like put on my wig and go. So if you don't like to lay your wig down, do all that glue and all that spray stress, then you can just put on your wig, because trust me, it actually looks like your edges, only that you just have to pull your wig forward so your braids don't show. Edges are actually really natural, like it matches the texture of your natural hair, which I really love. If you really love big hair, then you should get this hair, because this hair is like, it's full, it is big, and it is so lightweight on the head, which I really love. And you can also like spray some water down and use some mousse and let your hair air dry instead of like using a diffuser, and it is not going to be this full. Beauty Forever hair, thank you guys so much for sending me this beautiful wig. And guys, if you're interested in getting this wig, then do well to click on the title of this video. It is going to take you straight to my description box, and you guys can see the links of this hair and place your order for this beautiful wig, because guess what, Easter is coming, and I know you guys would want to slay like me. Thank you guys so much for watching this video today. If you did enjoy this video, do well to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you will see my next upload. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next one. Until then, bye.